There we go. So I'm here in Vaughan, Ontario, for the venue event space in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada, on Sunday, Sunday, November the 3rd, 2024, for the Northern Lights Collector Expo for Diecast Car Expo. Show here. I forgot to say who I was, the Great Canadian Explorer. Nothing like a mess up in the first little bit, but the show's all about die-cast cars and toy cars like Hot Wheels and all that stuff. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me as we check things out. So let's switch the view and get on inside. Thanks for letting me know about let me know about the actual sound. Would have been sucked then I had another video. So I guess we'll go to our left and start filming from this way. Some nice looking cars here. Oh, some Dick Tracy car, Hot Wheel cars there. Nice. I remember watching that TV show, the movie when it first came out in the early 90s, I believe. I think Madonna was a part of that show. Nice Hot Wheel displays.
How are you doing, my friend?
Good, how are you? Got a good selection of cars here.
Well, at my table, what I try to do is not only bring a great selection in, but an affordable way of you and many other people to enjoy stuff they're not going to release in Canada.
Oh, yeah.
Because I took it a step further. I brought that in from the US and that from the US. And the reasoning behind it is people are asking for stuff that we really can't get on the store shelves.
Yeah.
So after I end up paying duties and the cost of shipping it over, my prices may look foolish.
Yeah.
But that guy in a store is like almost $150 to $350.
Yeah.
I'm asking $50 for it. This one was brought in from the US as well. And look inside, you'll see that even had the top for the top of it.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah.
And then these t-shirts were brought in from the US as well.
Oh, yeah?
Tokyo Drift, the Supra, the RX-7, the GTR 35. Hey guys, come on in, man, come on in. You name it, I got it all because I want people to have the best of the best, you know?
Yeah.
And for the price too, everything is negotiable. I am not here just to only make money, but when people go home, they're happy with the products they get.
Yes.
You know, that's my key. Sure, I might make $1 or $2, but you know what? I want everybody to be
happy, yes.
So I'll show you what I am about too. The reason why I'm asking 20 and I'm asking 15 is because I got 2 of it. So I got 2 of it and I got 2 of it. So my goal is for the guy who buys it to know he's not going to go home
empty.
Unhappy.
Yes.
He's going to go home knowing fully well he got something that's unique.
Yes.
That's why the Bugatti was brought in. That one, the Supra was brought in from the US as well.
Yeah.
Some of the stuff. It took me 10 days to find the blue one.
Oh, yeah?
I love the blue one so much. I had to go out of my way to find a blue one in it. My friend, how you doing? Badass shirt, bro. Badass shirt. I have a complete set in line to Walmart's pricing, including taxes. That's the same price you would pay at Walmart. The catch is you're not driving around to 10 different Walmart to find this one, this one, or this one. You're getting the full set for $35.
Nice.
Right?
That's hard. It's hard to find those limited edition ones like the Fast and Furious.
This is a full set. The Porsche and this one has become difficult to find.
Yeah.
And funny enough, this one became difficult to find. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that price is the same price at Walmart, including taxes. This guy is a full set, and it is the same price as Walmart.
Nice.
Things like that I'm not making money on,
Yeah.
but hey, yo, it's a hobby.
Yes,
It's not a,
that's
it's not a
the-
goal to make money
yeah.
only. It's a hobby.
I know this is a fun hobby to have.
Yeah. Now, partially, I don't have any girlfriend or wife,
Yeah.
so I could have a hobby. But the minute I get a girlfriend or wife,
Yeah.
they'll be like, sorry.
Can't
You
have
can't
it.
do it?
No. Can't spend the money. Yeah.
Yeah. But my brother, I'm glad you're taking some
Yeah.
pictures, get some nice stuff, man.
Yeah, thanks for sharing me.
No worries, buddy. That's the thing.
Yeah.
The key to me is to make people get things they don't
Yeah.
have, and if they, the
sure.
T-shirt,
Yeah.
all of those stuff are different, unique, and
Yeah.
personal in their own way.
So a lot of this is cool items and stuff.
Yeah, man, for sure.
Thanks for sharing.
Yeah,
I'm
my friend. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the show.
Yeah.
You're
I'm gonna go
see some
gonna see some more stuff. Check
cool
out everybody's.
stuff.
Yeah.
The coolest stuff you'll see.
That's what guys want. They knew how. Do you have to do that? It's all. That's,
But when I
I've
do
discovered that a few years now.
my auctions, though, like I said, when I'm going to start doing the live auctions, it's only going to be. That's a $500 car.
Excuse me. Tight fit. Thanks.
You ride it low, like with me.
How's it going? Tell me, Joe. Tell me. There's a lot of cool cars here. Nice. Wow. Ooh, nice Corvette there.
It's not quite the same.
There's a lot of good selections.
Really? TD. Oh, no, I'm not with TD.
Oh,
I am. Oh, okay. Sometimes,
oh. Hopefully you guys can. The signal's giving me a weak signal. I can find a better spot. Let me know if
It's like a really beautiful car.
if there's any
Like in real life, the original.
flag, guys.
I don't get these people.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Is there a really bad leg or? Let me double check. That's kind of choppy, yeah. Hopefully I can get to a spot where there's a better signal. Find at certain points in the room. There's pretty bad lag, but I mean at other parts, it's good. Come on. Hopefully, I wouldn't if we get near the middle. Signal becomes better. Hello. Come on. Give me a good signal. Let's try the inside. Excuse me. Thank you. Sorry about the signal, guys. This is not good for the signal. Trying to find the good space. It's at the one corner that was good, and then
There was a no rental parking here.
signal. Oh. Signal's not good at all. Hopefully. Try this. Okay, let's try the opposite direction. Maybe if I get closer to the outside wall.
Nobody had her.
Two weeks ago, I found one.
Last week's and June 5 and you test
There we go.
I like the look of the rusty kind of it. I like the rusty look.
Come on. Why won't you give me a good signal?
Put it in the back machine, right?
Okay. Okay. This. Okay. You know what? I'm going to sign off outside, and then I'm going to start the re-recording. I'm going to record it, the actual, the show itself, with the proper, proper actual recording, because I don't know how good of a show that was for you guys with the leg. I don't know if how well that is. So what I'm going to do is after signing off, I'm going to go re-record everything inside so that it's more, so you guys can get a better view of all the cool stuff and everything else. No problem, Paul Cards. I'm going to be going back in there and re-showing all the cool Hot Wheels and stuff because there was so much lag. So let me turn the camera view around and sign off for you guys. So this was the Northern Lights collector events Diecast car expo here in Vaughan, Ontario. I hope you guys enjoyed all the lag. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and if you haven't subscribed, then click down that notification button to get notified of future videos like this one. Until next time, I am the Great Canadian Explorer, your host Ryan, and I will see you in the future videos. Bye for now.